देखो इस से दे दो ना।
ऑटो
सुप्रभात देवी और सज्जनों, दीक्षांत समारोह पर आप सभी का पुष्प डाले मेघालय पुलिस की तरफ से हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन है। देवी और सज्जनों, जैसे कि आप सभी ने देख रहे हैं, एबीआरसी आर्नोल्ड पी शर्मा परेड सेकंड इन कमांड के आदेश पर सभी परेड कमांडर परेड ग्राउंड में अपने अपने जगह ले रहे हैं और ही सुंदर तरीका इनका आज के इस दीक्षांत परेड समारोह पर परेड ग्राउंड में प्रवेश करने का। जैसे कि आप सभी देख रहे हैं, हर प्लाटून परेड सेकंड इन कमांड के आदेश पर बड़े सुंदर तरीके से परेड ग्राउंड के अंदर प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। जो देवी और सज्जनों, आप सभी से अनुरोध है, जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत करें। जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा, भारत माता की जय घोष करते हुए सभी प्लाटून दाहिने और बाएं की ओर घूमते हुए इस परेड ग्राउंड के भीतर प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। वाइट परेड के धुन पर इनका यह नजारा आज के इस समारोह पर इसे कमांड कर रहे हैं एबीएसआई कमल शर्मा। बहुत ही सुंदर गुण इनका यह ड्रेसिंग करने का मार्ग इस परेड ग्राउंड के भीतर। देवी और सज्जनों, यहाँ तक आकर परेड सेकंड इन कमांड एनआरसी जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा, परेड सेकंड कमांड परेड कमांडर WPRC वेथसाइडा खारसाइन को आज के इस दीक्षांत परेड का कार्यभार सौंप चुके हैं और इनका कार्यभार सौंपने का यह बहुत ही सुंदर नजारा आज के इस दीक्षांत परेड समारोह पर परेड कमांडर दीक्षांत परेड कार्यक्रम का कार्यभार ले चुकी है और अब आज का यह दीक्षांत परेड समारोह अपने माननीय कमांडेंट श्री हर्बर्ट जी लिंडो IPS का बड़े ही बेसब्री से प्रतीक्षा कर रही है। वे थोड़े ही समय पर हम सभी के समक्ष उपस्थित होंगे। धन्यवाद। देवी और सज्जनों, मैं आप सभी को सूचित करना चाहूँ 47 जवानों के साथ कमान कर रहे हैं ADRC मंतेलांग सदर। परेड ग्राउंड के मध्य में दीक्षांत परेड कमांडर WPRC वेथसाइडा खारसाइन, इनके पीछे परेड सेकंड कमांड BNRC आल्डो टी शर्मा और उनके पीछे बॉर्डर विंग बटालियन का ब्रास बैंड यानी प्लाटून नंबर 3, जिसे कमांड कर रही है WPRC पेंसिल्ची डी सिरा और दीक्षांत परेड समारोह का यह अंतिम कंटीजेंट अपने 44 जवानों Ladies and gentlemen, I on behalf of 1st Battalion Meghalaya Police would like to welcome for the 43rd batch of passing out parade. Now the parade is still waiting for our Honorable Commandant Sri Herbert G. Lindo IPS. Within a short while he will be at the parade ground. Thank you. My dear audience, for your kind information, for 43rd batch passing out parade, देवी और सज्जनों, जैसे कि आप सभी देख रहे हैं, हर जवान बड़े ही मनमोहक और सेरेमोनियल ड्रेस पर बड़े उत्साह से इस परेड ग्राउंड के भीतर अपने जगह पर खड़े हैं। बड़ा ही उत्साह है और वो भी क्यों न आज का इनका यह दिन जहाँ दीक्षा की अंत होती।
As a matter of respect for the speakers, may I now request all the invitees to kindly rise up. That was the general salute given by the parade commander to the chief guest.
देवी और सजनों दीक्षांत परेड समारोह किया गया।
जय मौर्य आज का डिक्शन परेड पर 43 बैच 94 मेल 90 फीमेल टोटल 184 रिक्रूट कांस्टेबल डिक्शन परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। जय मौर्य।
The parade commander is seeking permission for commencing the parade.
देवी और सजनों जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा मुख्य अतिथि महोदय से परेड कमांडर इस परेड को निरीक्षण करने के लिए आज्ञा प्राप्त कर और दर्शनकार पर स्कट कर मुख्य अतिथि
While the chief guest is being escorted by the parade commander in the darshan car for inspecting the parade, permit me to remind that in platoon number 1, with a strength of 47 personnel, is led by platoon commander BNRC Kerlang Raban. In platoon number 2, with a strength of 47 personnel, is led by platoon commander BNRC Mentailang Shadam. In the middle behind the platoon number 2 and platoon number 3 are the pipe band from 1st MLP Battalion commanded by ADSI Tomok Sangma with a strength of 19 personnel, and the brass band from the Border Wing Battalion commanded by Inspector Mukhtar Munsong with a strength of 16 personnel. With a strength of 44 personnel is led by platoon commander WPRC Nurita D. Sangma.
देवी और सजनों जैसे कि आप सभी देख रहे हैं बड़ा सुंदर नजारा आज के इस दीक्षांत परेड समारोह पर मुख्य अतिथि महोदय द्वारा इस परेड को निरीक्षण करना और फर्स्ट बटालियन मेघालय पुलिस के धुन द्वारा इनका स्वागत आज के इस
Escorted back to the dais by the parade commander. That was the report to the DGP, Madam, seeking permission for the attestation parade ceremony.
देवी और सजनों जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा परेड कमांडर मुख्य अतिथि महोदय श्रीमती ईडा श्री सनांगरंग IPS माननीय पुलिस महानिदेशक से इस परेड को शपथ ग्रहण करने का आज्ञा प्राप्त कर चुकी है अपने जगह पर। Ladies and gentlemen, may I request your honor to the parade ground.
Thank you. Please be seated.
धन्यवाद। कृपया आप सभी बैठ जाएं।
Attention, Jagannath!
Now for the attestation parade ceremony, that is the Nishan.
Attention, Brad! Nishantalai! Kalasharakan!
देवी और सज्जनों, निशान छूने का यह कार्यक्रम बड़ा ही सुंदर। आप सभी ने देखा जैसे गोली की रफ्तार से हर जगह अपने दाहिनी बाजू को आगे कर निशान को छू रहे हैं। निशान टोली को कमांड कर रहे हैं ट्रेनिंग सिंह एडवर्साइड एडवर्टर और नेशनल फ्लैग को ले रहे हैं हवलदार लकीराम बेरो, हवलदार किरण बेरो, हवलदार मोनुमेंट शर्मा और हवलदार तुकराम ढखा। यूनियन फ्लैग को ले रहे हैं हवलदार दुर्गामन, हवलदार सूरज शर्मा, हवलदार बसंत बसंती और हवलदार दिलीप गौर। निशान टोली को स्कॉट कर रहे हैं लांस नायक हरेंद्र वर्मा, डीएनसी राजू मोहम्मद, लांस नायक गौरव दारे और डीएनसी रंजीत रॉय। देवी और निशान टोली का यह कार्यक्रम राष्ट्रीय बैंक के धुन पर बड़ा ही सुंदर नजारा कागज के दर्ज के इस दीक्षांत समारोह पर आप सभी देखे निशान छूकर और जवान तुरंत की रफ्तार से अपने दाहिने बाजू को बगल में छुपाते हुए निशान टोली अंतिम क्वार्टर की ओर
The plan duty of diligently as police personnel.
निशान छूकर ये शपथ लेते हैं, ये प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि वे अपने सर्विस के दौरान हर फर्ज और कर्म को पूर्ण ईमानदारी और वफादारी से निभाएंगे। धन्यवाद। बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन निशान टोली का आज के इस दीक्षांत पेश समारोह पर। निशान टोली अपने जगह की ओर।
After the attestation parade ceremony, that is the Nishan Toli led by ABSI Devoterang is proceeding towards the center for taking the oath. May I now request Honorable Commandant. The Commandant of 1st MLP Battalion, Shri Herbert Chilingdo IPS, to please administer the oath.
I do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that to the best of my abilities, knowledge and judgment, perform my assigned duty with honor and dignity of Meghalaya Police. That I will fulfill my responsibilities towards the citizens and the country, even if I have to sacrifice my life. So, help me God.
धन्यवाद महोदय इस सम्मान के लिए।
Thank you, sir, for the honor.
देवी और सज्जनों, शपथ ग्रहण करने का कार्यक्रम यहाँ पर समाप्त। इस शपथ को लेते ही सभी जवान पूर्ण रूप से मेघालय पुलिस का एक सदस्य का दर्ज कर ली है, निशान टोली अपने जगह पर। और आप सभी ने देखा इस शपथ के साथ ही शस्त्र का शानदार शानदार प्रदर्शन यहाँ पर बड़ा ही गर्व की बात है। Once again, ladies and gentlemen, may I request your honor to kindly rise up for the national anthem, and those in uniform please salute when Nishan Toli is escorted out of the parade ground. Thank you.
After oath-taking ceremony, now these RCs have become full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police. Now we will have the platoon-wise march past, led by Parade Commander WPRC Betsaida Hassan.
देवी और सज्जनों, दीक्षांत समारोह का अगला कार्यक्रम मार्च पास्ट। बहुत ही सुंदर मार्च पास्ट बटालियन प्रास्तर के धुन पर इनका मार्च पास करने का सबसे पहले परेड कमांडर, इनके पीछे परेड नाइसी और इनके पीछे प्लाटून नंबर 1, 2, 3 और प्लाटून नंबर 4।
There's is dressing and sizing up of parade before they start for the slow march, that is period chal. The parade commander, WPRC Betsaida Khasain, followed by the second in command, BNRC Aldo P. Sangma.
ड्रेसिंग और साइजिंग करने का इनका बेहतरीन अंदाज यहाँ पर।
Parade commander, WPRC Betsaida Khasain, followed by the second in command, BNRC Aldo T. Sangma. This was the direct
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए इनका या बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन के लिए आज के इस दीक्षांत पे तो बहुत जोरदार प्रदर्शन इनका। धन्यवाद।
This was the direct diner salute given to our honorable chief guest, DGP Madam Ida Shir Shah Mangrang IPS.
Please clap your hand together for the best performance on patriotic parade today.
Number 2, commanded by BNRC Mente Lang Shadap.
धीरे चल से मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को सलामी मंच पर सैल्यूट कर गुजरते हुए
In platoon number 3, commanded by WPRC Tangselchi D. Sangma.
दीक्षांत परेड समारोह का अंतिम का प्लाटून जिसे कमांड कर रही है WPC नेवरिका टी शर्मा 44 जवानों के साथ गोली की रफ्तार से गर्दन को मोड़ना और मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को सम्मानित करना बेहतरीन अंदाज इनका। देवी और सज्जनों, एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए इन सभी का। धन्यवाद।
Now, the parade commanders are sizing up the respective platoons for the parade from slow march to quick march again.
धीरे चल से इनका यह सैल्यूट प्रस्तुत करना और अपने जगह की ओर आप सभी देख रहे हैं प्रेस बैंड के धुन पर इनका यह ड्रेसिंग और साइजिंग करने का बेहतरीन अंदाज, बड़ा ही सुंदर नजारा। अगला कदम तेज चल। सम्मानित कर गुजरेंगे।
This is the dressing and sizing up of parade before the start for the quick march. Once again, permit me to remind that these trainees complete their basic training at 1st MLP Battalion Armed Police Training Center with effect from 1st August 2023 to 22nd July 2024. With a total number 184 RCs, which comprise of 94 male and 90 female recruit constables. This is a quick march given by trainees who are now becoming full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police. As a token of respect to all the people present here at the parade ground of the 1st MLP Battalion, including the officers, the force personnel, the relatives who comes from far, the family members, brothers and sisters, the neighbors, friends, and especially to the parents who are played an important role in allowing the children to join the force without fear and hesitation, and to the instructors who have been guiding them all throughout the year. The following are the numbers of the RCs. From 2nd MLP Battalion, 29 RCs. From 3rd MLP Battalion, 19 RCs. From 5th MLP Battalion, 14 RCs. From 6th MLP Battalion, 54 RCs. From East Hasihal District, 13 RCs. From West Hasihal District, 21 RCs. From Riboy District, 4 RCs. From East Garuhas District, 4 RCs. From West Garuhas District, 4 RCs. That is the follower.
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए देवी और सज्जनों। बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन मार्च पास करने का इनका यह अंदाज आप सभी देख रहे हैं। परेड कमांडर परेड वाईसी पैटर्न नंबर 1, 2, 3 और पैटर्न नंबर 4 उनके पीछे बॉर्डर विंग बटालियन का ब्रास बैंड। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें। धन्यवाद देवी और सज्जनों, धन्यवाद। बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन।
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause.
यह महिला का कंडीजन हम किसी से कम नहीं। बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए। देवी और सज्जनों, इनके बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन के लिए तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट रोकनी नहीं चाहिए। इनके बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन के लिए आप सभी देख रहे हैं दीक्षांत समारोह का यह अंतिम महिला का कंडीजेंट जिसे कमांड कर रही है WBC नेवी का शर्मा। 44 महिला पुलिस कर्मियों का यह बेहतरीन अंदाज और बटालियन का यह प्रस्ताव जिसे कमांड कर रहे हैं इंस्पेक्टर रॉकस्टार जहां से अच्छा बेहतरीन हमलावर और फर्स्ट बटालियन का पाइपर कमांड कर रहे हैं एरिया साइड पवन शर्मा। बहुत ही बेहतरीन अंदाज शेयर करने का जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें। धन्यवाद देवी और सज्जनों।
This is a quick march.
बैंड के धुन पर एक बार फिर इनको यह साइजिंग और ड्रेसिंग करने का बेहतरीन अंदाज, बड़ा ही सुंदर धुन ब्रास बैंड का। समीक्षा कदम में आगे 16 कदम पर ये हम होंगे। आप सभी ने देखा मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को फिर एक बार जनरल धन्यवाद।
A very good morning to everyone. Honorable Director General of Police, Meghalaya, Srimati Ida Ashisha Nongrang, IPS, senior officers, invitees, members of the press, my dear trainees, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege to extend on behalf of the 1st Meghalaya Police Battalion and all my colleagues in the battalion and on my own behalf a very hearty welcome to all of you at this passing out parade of the 43rd batch of recruit constables. I am extremely grateful to our Director General of Police Meghalaya, Srimati Ida Ashisha Nongrang, IPS, who, despite her busy schedule, has very kindly accepted our invitation to grace today's passing out parade as the chief guest. Madam, I am indeed extremely grateful to you. I am sure that the young recruits passing out today, as well as their parents and near ones, feel proud and honored by your august presence at this parade. I also take this opportunity to extend a special welcome to all senior police officers and my colleagues whose presence at this program provides a great source of encouragement to us. Madam, the 43rd batch of recruit constables joined this training center on 30th July 2023. Today, 184 recruit constables and 10 followers from district executive force and battalions are passing out after completing 52 weeks of their intensive training. During the past 52 weeks, the 1st Battalion Meghalaya Police has strived hard to its best in imparting the requisite knowledge and skills needed for efficient policing to these trainees and also to make them tough enough for the rigors of police work in different situations. It has also been an endeavor to inculcate in them the highest standards of professional integrity and rectitude, sensitiveness to the needs and aspirations of the people, particularly the poor, indigent, and the needy, respect for human rights and all the other elements of professionalism. Apart from training for physical fitness, the recruits have been given adequate inputs on skills of weapons handling, tactics of jungle warfare, tear smoke and riot control drill, and prepare them in dealing with law and order issues. In a little while from now, these young recruits will step out from the portals of this institution and take their first step in the service of the state and its people. It is particularly significant that these constables have had honor of taking the oath and pledging themselves in the services of the state in your august presence today. The training center is grateful to the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Training Armed Police, Madam Claudia Lingua, and all officers and staff of Training Armed Police Office for their benevolent support, and look forward to continued encouragement from them in times to come. Madam, allow me the liberty to take this opportunity also to compliment all the members of the faculty and staff of the unit for their commendable commitment, devotion to duty and tireless effort. The faculty and staff in the training center have strived hard to train the recruit constables from the stage of raw inductees into the service to help them turn into well-qualified and knowledgeable police personnel. The instructors of 1st MLP-BN Armed Police Training Center have taken immense pains in accomplishing this task. All the faculty members and staff who have been with the recruits during their training period deserve our compliments and gratitude. My compliments also to the trainees who stood up to the rigorous demands of police training and came out with flying colors. It gratifies me to mention that we have been impressed by the sincerity and keenness of these young recruits. Indeed, the state has had great expectations from them to provide selfless service to the people and imaginative leadership to police forces to attain the cherished goal of making the police true friends and protectors of law-abiding citizens. With these words, I thank you once again, Madam, for being with us today. Thank you. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद महोदय आपके इस शानदार प्रस्तुति के लिए धन्यवाद।
Eight personnel have been selected to receive the awards based on their performance during the course of training.
देवी और सज्जनों, मैं आप सभी को बता दूं, ट्रेनिंग के दौरान अपने बेहतरीन कला को प्रदर्शन करने के लिए 8 जवानों को उपहार से नवाजने के लिए इन्हें चयनित किया गया है, जिसमें 4 महिला पुलिसकर्मी और 4 पुरुष पुलिसकर्मी शामिल हैं। धन्यवाद।
May I now request our Honorable Chief
से सम्मानित करें। धन्यवाद।
Best in Shooting awarded to BNRC Murad Basfor of 2nd MLP Battalion. He is a resident of Burgare, West Governor District. BNRC Murad Basfor.
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए। देवी और सज्जनों,
Best in Drill awarded to WPRC Nurika T. Sangma of 1st 6th MLP Battalion. She is a resident of Mendipathar, Salpara, North Carolina District. WPRC Nurika T. Sangma.
Please give her a big round of applause.
Best in exemplary conduct awarded to BNRC Dynamic Wajri of Laikon, Shillong, East Kasil District. BNRC Dynamic Wajri.
Ladies and gentlemen, please get your hand together for his achievement. Thank you.
Best in Discipline awarded to WPRC Bandilang Inti of Riboy District, DEF. She is a resident of Purdua Karpati, Nongpo, Riboy District. WPRC Bandilang Inti. Please give them a huge round of applause. Best in Musketry awarded to BNRC Aldo P. Sangma of 6 MLP Battalion. He is a resident of Akangre, Tura, West Doros District. BNRC Aldo P. Sangma. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a huge round of applause. Best in Endurance from female category awarded to ABRC Ruby Sana of West Casilas, DEF. He is a resident of Tuber Kamaishnong, East Jankia Hills District. ABRC Ruby Sana. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a huge round of applause. Best in Endurance from female category awarded to WPRC Sadina S. Marak of East Doros DEF. She is a resident of Madhi Rangsa Awangwe, South Doros District. WPRC Sadina S. Marak. Please give her a huge round of applause. All round of us, awarded to WPRC Betsaida Khasai of Ribai DF. She is a resident of Gofling Peninsula, Shillong East Cassius District. WPRC Betsaida Khasai. Once again, please give her a huge round of applause.
तालियों का स्वागत, तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट, बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन इनका आज के इस दीक्षांत पे समारोह पर। धन्यवाद महोदय आपके इस सम्मान के लिए।
Thank you, Madam, for the honor. With that, we have come to the end of the prize distribution ceremony.
यहाँ तक आकर उपहार वितरण का कार्यक्रम समाप्त हुआ और दीक्षांत समारोह का अगला कार्यक्रम हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय का संबोधन। आप हम सभी को संबोधित करें।
Once again, a very good morning to everybody present here. Senior officers from the Meghalaya Police, relatives and friends of all the police officers who are here, families of the constables who are passing out today, the training staff of the APTC Moyong, and most importantly, the constables who are here before me today, as well as the followers also. It is with great pleasure that I have to take this opportunity to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you step out today, you will be faced with challenges and with situations very different from what you have been undergoing for the last 11 months. It is indeed a proud privilege to see the transformation of young constables, young people coming into the Meghalaya Police. 11 months ago, when you entered the portals of the APTC Moyong, you wouldn't have thought that the things that you are doing today would have been possible. I know training, especially basic training, is a hard, rigorous journey. I'm so glad to see that all of you have come out so successfully. My congratulations again to all the medal winners and the prize winners. However, for those who have not won the medals or the prizes today, remember that the challenges ahead and the training that you have gotten today or over the last 11 months will stand you in good stead, and you will be winning many, many more laurels, not only for yourselves, but for the Meghalaya Police. I'm sure that with this batch of 184 well-trained constables, we will be witnessing a change era in the Meghalaya Police. It is indeed with even more pleasure that I see that nearly 50% of the constables passing out today are from the female contingent. Yes, we talk about the need for having more and more representations from the ladies in the police force. It is always with a great sense of gratitude and with a great sense of relief that we see such things happening more and more in the days which we have just witnessed. When the DIG TAP, Claudia, first invited me to attend the passing out parades of all the 5 APTCs plus the PTS, I was a little hesitant. And then I realized that it would give me a fantastic opportunity to not only welcome the newest members into the Meghalaya Police family, but also to see for myself the units, the various units at the glorious best. We were looking at the weather just a few minutes back and are hoping that the rains hold off. But with the performance that has been shown to us today, I am very sure that the rain gods will hear us. I take this opportunity to exhort you to stand by the oath that you have taken today. It is a solemn oath, and it is an oath that is binding on you. At various points in your career in the years ahead, you will be faced with situations where you will have to make a choice in sticking to that oath and adhering to the promises made today, or deviating from it. I am sure that with the kind of training and the fortitude that you have displayed, you will make yourselves an example, exemplary example of what Meghalaya Police will be. The oath is something that is not to be taken lightly. It is a solemn occasion as you pass out today. Remember that what you have promised today is something that will stand you for all the years ahead. What you do today as you pass out of this training institute and what you will do in future will largely depend on the choices you make. Let the choices you make be one that will bring further glory not only to yourselves but also to the Meghalaya Police, the state and the country as a whole. The challenges ahead of you will be of various kinds. You will be faced with situations you would not have been given any inputs about in the training center. But the journey of being part of any police force is one of learning, and we learn from our mistakes. I am one of those who is absolutely convinced that only people who work and only people who strive make mistakes. The ones who do not make mistakes are not the ones that know everything, but they are the ones who by and large do not take the chance or take the challenge or stand up to the challenge of making a choice. Yes, there will be mistakes, and very often you will find that you will be vilified for those mistakes. But learn from those mistakes and know that you will emerge from each situation a stronger and a more qualified member of the force. I also take this opportunity to thank all the families of the constables and the followers who are here today. It is only with your support and with your continued support that these constables and followers who pass out today will be able to hold on and adhere to the promises made today. It is a challenge. I know I keep repeating myself that it is a challenge, but the challenges that you have undertaken and you have promised to stand by will be ones which will reap you many benefits in the future. Know that policing is not an everyday job. It is not something which is for everybody, but you have been trained for it, and I'm sure with the report that the Commandant has given about your performance over the last 11 months, this will only lead to a more and more professional Meghalaya Police Force. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish you all the very best in your journey in the Meghalaya Police and to congratulate you once again. Thank you. Nipila Kublai, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Madam, for the inspirational speech. Please give a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you very much for your thoughtful, meaningful, and inspirational speech on POP Parade today. Thank you.
Diction Road! Jerusalem! Selamat! Diction Road!
That was the general salute given by the parade commander.
डिक्शन परेड को निष्क्रमण करने के लिए आज्ञा प्रदान करें। जय मौर्य।
देवी और सज्जनों, जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा, परेड कमांडर मुख्य अतिथि महोदया से इस परेड को निष्क्रमण करने का आज्ञा प्राप्त कर और अपने जगह की ओर। धन्यवाद। सज्जनों, 43rd बैच परेड समारोह का यह अगला कार्यक्रम निष्क्रमण आप सभी देख रहे हैं। ब्रास बैंड के धुन पर बड़ा ही सुंदर नजारा, धीरे चाल से हर जवान व्यक्तिगत तौर पे मुख्य अतिथि महोदया को सलामी मंच पर सैल्यूट कर गुजरेंगे। देवी और सज्जनों, मैं आप सभी को एक बार फिर याद दिलाना चाहूंगा कि अटर्निश इस ट्रेनिंग सेंटर को 1 अगस्त 2023 से और आज तक अपना प्रशिक्षण पूरा किया। ट्रेनिंग के दौरान इन्होंने ड्रिल डिसिप्लिन, आर्म्स ड्रिल, एम्बुश, जंगल वॉरफेयर, काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी और हर तरह के प्रशिक्षण में बेहतरीन प्रशिक्षण किए गए। ट्रेनिंग के दौरान इन्होंने लॉ एंड ऑर्डर ड्यूटी के साथ साथ असेंबली ड्यूटी, इलेक्शन ड्यूटी और रक्तदान जैसे महाअभियान में बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया और जरूरतमंदों की मदद की। देवी और सज्जनों, आज यह इस ट्रेनिंग सेंटर से प्रशिक्षित होकर और अपने स्ट्रीमलाइन की ओर जा रहे हैं। मैं फर्स्ट बटालियन मेघालय पुलिस आर्म ट्रेनिंग सेंटर की तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं इन सभी को। धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last act of today's passing out parade of the 43rd batch as they head out of the parade ground in a slow march in the context of a passing out parade. That is a peeling out, refers to a ceremonial drill movement in a synchronized manner where a formation of march, often the military or the police personnel, to split away from the main group to depart the parade area. During the passing out parade or the peeling out is often used to dismiss troops from the parade, allowing contingents to depart the area and to facilitate the conclusion of the ceremony. The peeling off movement is usually performed with a precision and discipline, showing a teaching the unit training and discipline. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, it may be mentioned that a total of 184 RCs, both male and female, and 10 followers comprising of 2nd MLP Battalion 29 RCs, 4th MLP Battalion 19 RCs, 4th MLP Battalion 14 RCs, 6th MLP Battalion 54 RCs, East Casillas District 13 RCs, West Casillas District 21 RCs, Riboy District 4 RCs, East Garahul District 4 RCs, West Garahul District 15 RCs and South Garahul District 11 RCs. Besides, during the training period, These RCs were also engaged in law and order duties all over the state and were even deployed for assembly, election and MP election duties. They also participated in various other extra-curriculum activities within the state and voluntarily donated their blood for the family members and relatives of police personnel and to those people in urgent need of blood for various sickness. The training of the RCs and their welfare were coordinated by Assistant Commandant APTC Shri N. Sheikh MPS and APSI Shri Debot Teram in charge of APTC. And that was the pipeline from first NLP battalion led by APSI Debot Salman.
आप सभी लुत्फ उठा रहे हैं ब्रासलेट का जिसे कमांड कर रहे हैं इंस्पेक्टर डॉक्टर मनीषांग। बहुत ही सुंदर प्रदर्शन, बहुत ही बढ़िया कला का प्रदर्शन।